So I'm going to talk you through the story of the troll, and I have drawn a story map of what happens in the story, which I'm going to colour in as we go. So here we go. So first of all, we start over here with the troll, and the troll is under the bridge. There he is in the water, looking a bit sad for himself because all the troll has got to eat is, of course, fish. And I'm going to colour in my fish, which I've drawn already, and I'm going to add some colour also to my black pan, because the pan obviously is a black pan. And I'm going to add some tears to the troll because he's really sad, because of course he doesn't really like fish. So the troll goes off on a journey, taking with him his cookbook and taking with him his frying pan. Over on the other side, we've got the pirate boat. Now, I've just drawn them as stick people, but the flag on the pirate boat is a black flag, and I'm going to draw a white face on it to look a bit like the skull. So they obviously go off on a tour looking for the treasure island, because X marks the spot, and the spot is where the treasure is. They get to an island and they start to dig. The bad thing about their eating is that they are not good cooks. So I've drawn a fish here and I've put a cross in its eye to show that it's not a very good fish. Go. So they set off on another journey and dig for treasure. So there's more spades there which they dig because they're looking for the special treasure box. So of course, back to the troll. So the troll gets to another bridge, and when he gets to the bridge, what does he find at the bridge? But of course, a rabbit. And the rabbit is not at all what he's looking for. He's looking for something much more tasty to go in his stew. So sadly, he goes off on another walk again with his cookbook in one hand and with his saucepan in the other. And he arrives at the island where the palm trees are. He finds a big treasure chest which he gets into, and he throws away all of the gold coins. So I'm going to draw in the gold coins into the sea. So I'm going to draw a little bit of sea there as well. So back to our pirates. So our pirates arrive, they dig, they find the treasure, and of course what do? They run off with it. So I've drawn the pirates running off with the treasure back to their ship with its black flag. But of course when they open up, they find the troll, so they make him walk the plank. But of course, just as they're about to make him walk the plank, they wonder if he can cook. So I've drawn my frying pan and I've done a question mark over the top with a question. And the answer is yes, of course he can cook, so I'm going to do a very big green tick there. But of course the twist in the tale is that he wants to cook them a delicious stew, and what of course do they want? They would love the fish. So I wonder whether you could go ahead and draw your own story map of the troll story, which we have a look at mine here. We've got right at the beginning with the troll and his sadness because of all he can cook is fish, and him finding the rabbit, and we obviously get him to the island where he finds the treasure chest. And of course the pirates looking for the island, and all they eat is fish until they get the treasure. And then they run with the treasure to the boat. When they open the boat, they find that what's inside is a troll. And they make the troll walk the plank until they think, oh, can he cook? And the answer is yes, he can. So they get him off. But of course, what do they want? They want fish. Guys, have a good day, and I hope you enjoy making your own. I'd love to see them.